It's 9:37, 9:38, Wednesday, November 12th, as you guys can see. The reason I'm marking this date and the time, because I want you guys to see what I got my Apple Watch Ultra 2 at. We're at 100% low power mode. Let's see how much battery life can we really get out the Apple Watch Ultra 2. 7:09 a.m. Thursday, November 13th. From last night, see 7:09 on the Apple Ultra 2. From last night till now, we're at 91%. Stay tuned. We're going to see if we could get this for 7 days. So it's been 24 hours since I started this battery test. Today is Thursday, November 13th. The time is approximately 9:39. And my battery on my Apple Watch Ultra 2 is only at 77%. So that means in 24 hours, my Apple Watch Ultra 2 used 23% of its battery life. And I'm going to hit this button right here just to verify the date for you. 9:39 p.m. Thursday, November 13th. It's been 24 hours. The time is 10:15 p.m. Friday, November 14th. This is part of the battery test for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's been past 48 hours and we're at 51%. Over 48 hours usage on the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and we're at 51%. We're set to pass 4 days. Stay tuned, guys. I ran the Apple Watch Ultra 2 on low power mode and I got 4 days battery life. Today it's 10:28 p.m. Sunday, November 16th, as you see there. And here's the Apple Watch Ultra 2. $10.28. Check that battery. 1%, y'all. We made it 4 days.